Most loved. Stars and Stripes. Assemble your future. All right now on FCA Replay. The Dodge brand has been recognized as Facebook's most loved automotive brand during 2018. According to a study by Crisp, the brand's total of more than 460,000 love reactions beat the next closest competitor by almost 80,000. The most loved post of 2018? That would be November 2018's Respect the Beast, a video that featured the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, which earned more than 11,000 love reactions. The Dodge brand salutes the men and women of the U.S. Armed Forces with a new Stars and Stripes edition on both the Charger and Challenger, which happen to be favorites of active military buyers. Attendees to the New York Auto Show will be able to see them live as they make their debut on the show floor. The brand will open orders for the vehicles starting in May. The all-new 2019 Ram 1500 has been honored with Auto Trader's Best New Cars for 2019 award. The Auto Trader Best New Cars award is intended to benefit a broad set of shoppers. Logging thousands of miles, the Auto Trader editorial experts chose the winners of the annual Best New Cars based on a wide-ranging set of criteria, including interior comfort and materials, build quality, available features, and ride quality. And each vehicle was agreed upon unanimously by the entire editorial and data team. Auto Trader's executive editor stated that, simply put, the 2019 Ram 1500 is on our list of best new cars this year because it's the best full-size truck you can get. Matt Hagan and Leah Pritchett will be taking next-generation service technicians to school during the Mopar Express Lane NHRA Spring Nationals presented by Pennzoil April 12th through 14th in Houston. The NHRA stars will host pit tours and visit with Mopar Career Automotive Program students from the area to help kick off the program's Assemble Your Future initiative. The Assemble Your Future initiative brings Mopar students to 4 NHRA events in 2019 to network with dealer representatives, identify potential career opportunities, and meet Mopar and Dodge SRT NHRA racers as a reward for their participation in the program. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Edward Cardenas.